beautiful scooter. Such a sexy scooter. It's just sleek. Real sleek. Let's go burn a couple bars. See where we can get it. Gotta get used to the scooter. Catch the sunset behind us there. Looks like we're down on our first bar here. I'm not surprised because we are in insane mode. Let's take a right. Cruise is nice. Let's see, we're at about 18. It's got that initial bite because it's dual motor, but don't be fooled and think this is like a V-set or anything, but it is nice. It's like a souped up, it's like a Xiaomi if a Xiaomi was perfect and it had a second motor in the front and it had a carbon fiber stem and it had, you know, insane mode. It's basically the best entry-level scooter you can get that is ultra portable. So it's a bit different from the eMove that we're also reviewing right now, because I wouldn't consider the eMove ultra portable. Look, we can even go up here into the construction zone because we got solid tires. You can't get a flat tire on this. 17 uphill. See, it's about the same. Whoa, this is gonna get a little muddy. Should we do it? Why not? Off-roading on the Unagi. This is our first ride and we're already going basically off-roading. It handles it great. Look at that sun behind us. Guys, I need some ideas for a Halloween costume to ride around on scooters this year. Something hilarious. Look at that sunset. Say I was a bit worried about the cornering on this with solid tires and stuff, but it handles great. Honestly. It feels a little bit harder than regular tires, but that's about the only difference. The handling feels very similar. Now apparently in wet weather that it gets a little tougher to control, but yeah, this thing cruises. Still only 4 out of 5 bars right now. Haven't dropped another bar yet. What a nice night for a little cruise on a brand new scooter. I really don't want to give this one away, but we already said we would, so man, one of you is going to get really lucky on this one. Really lucky. The ride is nice. Even over speed bumps, doesn't make any noise. It's one of those scooters you want to bend your knees a bit to absorb the shocks of it, but overall it's good. We're down to 3 bars now. The brake is so powerful. Scoot gang, scoot gang, scoot gang. We should go over to the Fat Man. Get a Fat Man sunset pic. going this way. Look at the beauty of this folding system. So there's 2 latches, one on each side. You just pull it down, boom. It's folded, it's locked. It's genius. I'm excited to see Unagi's next scooter. They're actually supposedly, allegedly, whatever, making a bigger, faster scooter. So it'll be interesting to see when that comes out, how it looks, how the specs are. If it's anything like the build quality of this, I can't wait to see it, I'll tell you that. During the process of making this exact video, Unagi has officially dropped the Indiegogo for their brand new scooter, the Model 11, and we're going to take a look at it quick. It looks like one of the most feature-packed scooters I've ever seen. It's going to be a full suspension, front and rear. It has integrated GPS turn-by-turn, a crash assist AI, so it predicts crashes, a hot swappable battery, dual motors, a motion sensor, and you can lock it. It has GPS tracking and remote kill switch, hot swappable puncture-proof tires that are apparently the first of its kind, foam-filled. You can even listen to your music with the built-in speaker. All around, I think this is probably going to be one of the most anticipated scooters next year as far as new features, and they're definitely setting the bar high for 2022. Like I said, this is a pre-order. It's Indiegogo, and it just started yesterday. They've already surpassed their goal, 600% past their goal. So definitely this scooter is going to happen. They have a nice long track record, a huge development team, as you can see. All the colors. Here's the specs. We can pause on that for a second. If you want to pause the video and take a look at them, you can. According to their timeline, they've been developing this for 2 years, and it will be, like I said, a pre-order for next summer and next fall. So if you want to get this highly anticipated scooter, I would jump on it now and make sure you're in that first batch, because that's usually the way Indiegogos roll out, is in batches, and you don't want to be in second, third, fourth batch sitting there waiting while everybody else is getting their scooter. So I know we were looking at the Model 1 today. We're riding that. We're going to be giving it away on TikTok. But if you are interested in Unagi, the brand, the quality, then I would keep your eye on the Model 11 as well for next year. And like I said, get that pre-order in as soon as possible to make sure you're in the first batch. They already have basically the top quality entry-level scooter. Easy to carry though. It's not light, but it's not heavy. I'm also not like particularly strong or anything, so if I can do it, you can do it. Stick like this. I'll have the Model 1 and Model 11 links in the description if you want to check out either scooter or both. Subscribe so you don't miss the rest of my Unagi reviews. Thanks for watching. Scooter Gang out.